They're all different weights, different sizes, different lengths for different jobs really. One axe can do most things, but obviously if you're cutting through bigger, thicker wood, you need something with a bit more weight behind it. Longer handles, it gives you the momentum to chop. But these smaller axes are great for like kindling, small trees. These are quite good because they've got a hard rear butt, so you can do staples, knocking in pegs, tent pegs. Nice plastic handle, it's fantastic because it's like obviously got the non-slip part of the handle there, but your hand don't slip off the end. So if you're giving it a good old belt, your hand won't slip straight off the end, which is great. This is a shorter, smaller axe, good for kindling or just close, short work. It's got the same head as the other one. And then this is a bit more of a universal type axe. I use this one quite a lot. Same thing again, nice grip at the back, nice non-slip grip. You see where the texture change there, same as the knives, which is great. So it's minimum effort for maximum effect. So it is, for me, a cracking bit of kit. And as you can film it there, David, look at this. If I magic, follow my hand. Are you following? Oh yes! Check that out, as if by magic. So this guy at the back is really handy. It's cracking, cracking little bit of a kit. It's got a magnetic on the base of the pommel there. Straight back up in, job done. So yeah, that's a good all-round tool for the job, that is. It's the hardest bit, I think. A nice straight wedge. Nice sink in that. Using both parts of the axe. So using this half the axe, the back side of the axe on the far cut, and on this side of the tree using the front side of the axe. Okay, so basically you're evening off your cuts, and then you tap it in from the back. About there somewhere. Oh. And same on this side. Ready? Hopefully we shake timber. Easy. Trim off, job done. And then on these smaller stuff, when you're doing kindling, again, you don't want to be swinging from up here because you're not accurate. Obviously I'm not going to split this because I'll give it a go, but it's a bit wet and not really what you use. But yeah, so basically if I was doing kindling, I'll be doing stuff from this sort of distance. So I'll basically be from here, and as the blade comes down to the piece of wood, my hand sort of leaves last second. And it is, when you're tired, you've been working hard, or you've been stuck in the bush for 3 days, minimal food. Yeah, so it gives you a bit of an idea what to do.